The Colombo stock market closed marginally lower today, with the All-Share Price Index, ASPI, declining by 20.79 points to 22,899.53, while the S&P/SL 20 index slipped by 2.15 points to 6,267.26. Market sentiment remained subdued amid cautious investor participation and mixed performances across selected counters, as investors continued to assess corporate earnings, economic developments, and near-term market direction. Market activity remained moderate today, with total market turnover reaching LKR 2.62 billion, while crossings contributed LKR 471.16 million to overall turnover. Renuka Holdings plc and Hatton National Bank plc emerged among the companies recording the highest transaction values during the session. Meanwhile, the overall market capitalization of the Colombo Stock Exchange stood at LKR 8,274.07 billion, reflecting the market's continued stability despite cautious investor sentiment. Domestic investors continued to dominate market activity today, accounting for 99% of total market purchases with 2,584.03 million rupees, while foreign purchases amounted to 32.37 million rupees. On the selling side, domestic investors contributed 2,468.02 million rupees, representing 94% of total sales, whereas foreign investors recorded sales of 148.38 million rupees, resulting in a net foreign outflow for the session. Among the top gainers of the day, Kerner House Global Solutions plc reported a strong price appreciation driven by heightened investor interest and active market participation. Serendib Land plc also posted a significant gain amid buying momentum in plantation-related counters, while Radiant Gems International plc advanced on renewed optimism in the luxury and export-oriented sector. Swadeshi Industrial Works plc attracted investor attention following positive sentiment toward consumer and manufacturing sector stocks, and Paragon Salon plc registered notable gains supported by improved trading activity and speculative interest. Overall, strong retail participation and selective buying interest contributed to the sharp upward movement in these counters during the session. The market witnessed notable declines among several counters, with SMB Finance plc emerging as the top loser of the day following selling pressure in the finance sector. Equity 2 plc also recorded a sharp decline amid weakened investor sentiment in property-related stocks, while Commercial Development Company plc fell due to profit-taking activities after previous price gains. York Arcade Holdings plc experienced downward movement as investors remained cautious on low-liquid counters, and Agalawat Plantations plc declined amid mixed sentiment in plantation sector shares. Overall, profit-taking and reduced buying interest contributed to the negative price performance of these counters during the trading session. The ASPI recorded a positive performance driven mainly by gains in diversified holdings, banking, and manufacturing sector counters. John Keells Holdings plc emerged as a key contributor supported by renewed investor interest in blue-chip stocks, while DFCC Bank plc and Nations Trust Bank plc strengthened market sentiment within the banking sector amid expectations of improving credit growth and economic activity. Meanwhile, Alumex plc contributed positively following continued demand optimism in the construction and manufacturing sectors, while LAUGFS Gas plc supported the index with buying interest in energy-related counters. Overall, improved investor confidence and selective accumulation in fundamentally strong stocks helped lift the ASPI during the session. The ASPI witnessed downward pressure mainly due to losses in telecommunications, diversified holdings, banking, and manufacturing sector counters. Dialog Axiata plc emerged as a major negative contributor amid profit-taking in large-cap stocks, while Hamas Holdings plc and Hatton National Bank plc weighed on the index following mixed investor sentiment in defensive and banking sector shares. LOLC Holdings plc also contributed negatively as investors adopted a cautious stance toward diversified financial counters, while Colombo Dockyard plc declined amid broader market volatility and selling pressure in export-oriented and industrial sector stocks. Overall, profit-taking and cautious investor sentiment led to the market's negative contribution during the session.